Thank you, thank you, thank you. So that was a Thad Jones tune called Big Dipper. We featured McKenna Ron over on the piano. Evan Reed back on the trumpet. Also tenor Hunter, tenor sax. The applause-o-meter, the scream-o-meter. And of course, Jonathan Boardman on the little So I've heard a rumor that the jazz band concert was like the fun party concert at the end of the semester.
Yep.
And
yeah.
I gotta say, it's true that that's out there because I started that rumor. So hopefully you'll find that to be the case. Now, the next tune we're gonna do is actually one that, well, let's just say that, well, River is gonna come sing, and and I want to mention that this tune is going to be, well, it's on behalf of Maurice White. River is going to ask the musical question, do you remember the 21st night of September? Okay, so hopefully you'll enjoy this one. Oh yeah, that was one, sorry.
Love was changing the mind, tender, while chasing the clouds away. Our belief is the key to our souls to sing. As we get through the night, remember, how stars turn the night away. Holding hands in your arms to see you. Holding you talking love, remember how deep you love me to stay. In December, found a love that we share in September. Holding you talking love, remember the true love is here to stay. You're
Okay, we're gonna let River go have a seat over there, wherever they're going. Yeah, that was September Earth, Wind, and Fire tune. Next one we're gonna do is actually we did this earlier in the semester. It was part of our preview concert. It's a tango, and it was suggested by McKenna, right? And let's see, it's tuned by Rick Hirsch. We have various people that are soloing in this one, so I'll announce them afterward, though, because rather than take the time, we'll just keep on going here. So, all right, this is Downtown Tango. So that was just a review. Talent Hunter on tenor sax. Rylan Marr on trombone. Roberto Ramirez on alto sax. Evan Reed back on the muted trumpet. Cool stuff, guys. A little thing at the end McKenna did, of course, too. And I want to mention, I said this to these guys, and the two of them there, the younger guys there, are taking my evolution jazz class, as are some of you. I mentioned that like, it's amazing that we have three drummers, and it's not just three drummers, but they're all phenomenal drummers. They're all really good, right? Yes. So of course there's Jonathan there that I mentioned before. Brady Peterson, standing next to him. And of course the most senior member of our group, or of the drummers, that is not we'll get to that later. Kent who just want to mention, it's great having these three guys, and they're all back next year. Like, yeah, I know. Okay, so this will be our most ambitious one yet so far. Suggested actually by Talent. I think you suggested like a year and a half ago in February, and I finally like, I think there was a tune back there. So the tune is called Insane in the Rain. It's actually a feature. I guess we can call it a double feature. The reason is that both Rylan Marr and Talent Hunter are featured as the not just soloists, but as like they're the main melody all the way through. So a double, you don't necessarily come into a jazz concert expecting a double feature, but in this case you definitely will see that. Okay. What we decided that the pronunciation of this guy's name was Carlos what? Something like that. We weren't sure. So Aiden was chiming in with that.
In Spanish, it should be like Aiden.
Okay, does that sound right? Spanish speakers? Aiden? Okay, we'll go with that. So this is really cool. All right. That really fit last night when there was a lot of rain. Boy, that was incredible. Wow. That was a lot of fun. Not that easy, but also a lot of fun. It's time for another vocal. Oh, jeez. They're already ready for me. So, this one is it's kind of definitely a change in the tone, because this is much more of a standard. All the Things You Are was written by Jerome Kern and Oscar Hammerstein. And this arrangement by somebody, David Buckley in any case, but of course, again, a River Neville feature. So let's get right to it so I don't talk for too long. Here, let's go ahead and play.
When all the things in the world are
All right, thank you. Riverdale Olympics who are also featuring Lorenzo Ramirez on the alto sax. And Dakota Dalton on clarinet. Okay, so we have this after I think I'd say a couple more challenging tunes, you know, because Insane in the Rain has a lot of technical stuff. And, all the things you are is a lot of difficult chord changes to navigate, of course. We're going to have more kind of like I'd say, the pep band feel maybe, but it's, this one's pretty fun. Most well known, at least to me, as the theme song to the George Lopez TV show. This is, of course, the group, War, their famous 1975 hit, Lowrider, featuring a bunch of soloists. Thank you, thank you. War, tune called Lowrider. What's that? Oh yeah, what is it? Right, that's right. So I want to point out all the solos on that one. Boz, Macoon. Aiden Early. Sorry. Also, we had, who else we had? Oh, Rylan, of course. And Dylan Lar. And some killer drumming over there by Jonathan Borden. Okay. What? What's that? Oh, of course, play the theme song. We couldn't have done it without the cowbell. Right? Couldn't do it without the cowbell. Okay. So we have 3 more tunes we're going to play for you. I hope you're having a good time so far. If not, then, you know, what's wrong with you? So, if you thought that we were going to, if you thought we were going to do an entire concert, not do something that was kind of bassy centered, then you'd be silly to think so, because, you know, I grew up listening to Basie. And one of Basie's most trusted arrangers and composers was composer of this next tune, Sammy Nestico, great composer and arranger. This is a tune called Groovin' Easy. So we're going to kind of take it easy now, a little bit. to come on back up? Yes. This time they didn't beat me to mentioning that River was coming back. This one is a fun one. I think River, you suggested this song, right? This next one?
Yeah, so the story behind that one is I was jamming out on the piano. I go, hey Steve, you know what would be just a fun jazz chart? And he was like, what? And I was like, feeling good. And the next thing you know, it's a repertoire for us.
Yeah, I think you're going to like this one. This one's really fun. Feeling Good, made famous by, or recently by Michael Bublé. So you should have a good time with this one. Everybody should. Everybody will have a good time. Here we go. Did I miss something? I don't think I can trust some of these people.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know breeze drifting on by. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on the tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean, oh you know. Butterflies all having fun, you know what I mean. Sleeping bees with naked eyes, that's what I mean. And it's over, and I'm
Feeling good, River Meadow. Wow. Wow. Yeah. So y'all feeling good over here? How about you up there, okay? Okay, good. You'll never be as loud as them, but that's okay. Okay, well, we only have one more tune, and there's been some senior goodbyes at all the concerts, and I wouldn't be able to leave the stage here today without at least saying a great thank you to the seniors that are graduating. And I'll name them. We have our two bass players. So at the back there, yes, we have Kaylee Cronin. Yes. She and I have gotten to know each other very well. Sometimes too well, right? for you. Anyway, no, we've had a great time working together. Also, Ruby Poffenbarger. Also graduated. Yes. Back in the back. Yes. Oh, man. Oh, no way. What am I thinking? Oh, yes. Wait. Riley. Of course. Oh, Riley. I'm sorry about that. Look at him. He's got a trumpet, and he's got a French horn back here. Riley Collins. Jeez. Walk away from my thing, and then poof. It's like I've known him for 4 years. What the heck? And then, actually, a senior and sort of graduated, but sort of not until after you student teach, right, is Lorenzo Ramirez. So, as you can see, we have a pretty massive band. And even so, with like 25 people in the band, we're still going to greatly miss these people that are not going to be with us. Now, maybe Lorenzo's going to hang around a little bit and play. We don't know yet. We don't know. It depends on the schedule and all that, where he's going to be, what he's going to be doing. But we hope he can come back. It's been pretty amazing, by the way. Lorenzo, as just mentioned, was he came in. He was a tuba player, of course, tuba and sousaphone, and so he decided to join jazz band and figured he better just learn trombone as well. Although we had a cool sousaphone feature for you a couple of years ago, right? Yeah. And then turns out that we just happen to need saxophones. So Lorenzo picked up the alto sax and said, okay, I'll just go ahead and play this. By the way, Kate Alaba also picked up alto sax. Mr. Lucky Charms himself with his... You just never know what's going to come out of my mouth, right? You just never know. I never actually know either, to be honest. So those are our seniors. I know they've had big things on screen and all that, so I wasn't going to go through all of it, but I do want to say a heartfelt thank you to all four of them, whether we continue to see Lorenzo or not. But it's been great having you guys in the band and getting to know all of you, the four of you, and of course all the rest. But we'll go on into the fall and the spring, and we'll continue making music. The rest of them, these seniors, we hope that things will go well with them and that they won't be a stranger, right? So, can you give one hand for the seniors? I know Kaylee's always here. And Riley was already standing too. So, I'll make sure I get that name right. Okay, you can have a seat. Final tune. This is a tune that's called Trofeo de Bulos. Another one suggested by McKenna over there. And so you said what did you say it means? Yes, you see, I was thinking that for some reason I thought, last year we did something called Running with the Bulls, and I thought that this must just mean that again. Running of the Bulls. We did that with the Robo High School band. But it turns out, yes, Trofeo de Bulos just means bowling trophy. But when you say it's in, I guess that's Spanish, right? Right? Spanish, Trofeo de Bulos. It sounds like it's, if you say it, you can make yourself sound like the most interesting man in the world, right? Like, when I don't always go bowling. when I do, I always win the Trofeo de Bullos. So, okay, was that corny? Hey, I'm a dad, so dad jokes are my thing. You know? Yeah, okay, so dad jokes are, sorry. You dads understand, right? And the moms understand too, and the grandmas and grandmas. You guys understand that. Can't help it. Okay, so actually this one's going to feature a solo by Lauren Ramirez too. This one's pretty fun. Hopefully we'll stay on the rails, and we'll be good all the way through. It's a lot of fun to play with. But I also want to say thank you all for coming out tonight. Really appreciate your enthusiasm coming over here, listening to us. Yeah, I know you guys are like, yeah, I know what you're talking about. But they have enthusiasm too. They're just not as loud as you. And that's part of it. Okay, and thank you to those folks in the back, up in the back doing the sound. Let's see, well, we have Doc Swearinger, so Professor Justin Swearinger right there. Also, it looks like Becca Nielsen's back there too, right? Becca's helping too. Okay, thank you, Becca. Thank you, Doc. What? Okay, you want to tell me exactly who whistled? Robert Robertson? Robinson. Whistle. Oh, he's a good whistler. That's good. Okay. So, with no further ado, our last tune, Trofeo de Bullos, the bowling trophy. Thank you everyone. For Pedro de Burros, for Lorenzo Ramirez, also Ken Huth on the drums. And so everybody stands, give them all a hand real quick. Last concert of the year. Thank you for coming. I really appreciate it.
And we have to give it up for Steve.
Okay, and now you're all dismissed to do whatever it is you're going to do, mingle or whatever you got to do. So thank you.